Okay, cool. Sub, comment, and thumbs up. Man, what are you doing? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm up £1,400 on one of my trades that I spoke about in my last video. So don't forget guys to click subscribe, comment and thumbs up, and let me know what you want me to cover in the next video. So I'm just going to go over some of the trades that are in the FX market and also index market. So this is obviously the 20k trading challenge account. I haven't had much to do too many things, so what I have been doing is I've been opening small positions basically to keep the account growing with not a lot of risk on the board, just because I can't oversee them. So some of the positions that I'm in at the moment, I'm down roughly 95, 96 pounds at the moment in positions. I'm buying up the FTSE here, and I'm in a couple of positions, very light risk with my stops below previous levels that I'm looking at. And that's pretty much it. I'm looking for reasonable targets of making between 1 and up the top here, the smaller position. So overall, from both of these positions that we're looking at, we've got around, not a lot, 0.16 lots, something like that. So we'll be looking at making around 2 to 3% from the move. And indexes are usually quite a safe position to take. And we're also long on the DAX as well. As you can see, our positions in here. It just missed my final buy limit order that I wanted just off of this low here, which would have been really nice. We've got these two positions here that are coming in. That would be another 200, and this one up here will be nearly 1,000. So if the positions come off, it'll be around a 6% gain on the account with quite a lot of low risk on there. I'm also on a small position on pound long off of the cluster algorithm. Going along off of this position. It's very small stop losses on the 20k trading competition. I've had a couple of positions in here where we've had all these positions coming in. So we can see here we had a really mediocre trade here. Had a good trade here coming in, followed by another trade straight away, and then another one here and another one here. So we've just been enjoying the pound rally at the moment to the upside and continuing to do so. We saw this massive spike here due to the news that came out today. So overall, account's going well. It's at 23,000 by the end of the week, probably about 23.2, something along those lines. Some of you guys that would have watched my video in on my live stream about my stocks that I was looking at, which was Pets at Home and also Kia Group. We'll be seeing that from that. Well, I bought a reasonable amount of them, and I just want to show you kind of what's happening to those as we speak. So Pets at Home has literally rallied all the way off the mark of what I said it would down here at this level. So I'm just going to show you the position as well that I've got open on Kia Group. So here we go. You can see this is Kia Group here. So at the moment we're plus £1,400 on Kia Group, which is really cool. You can see the position, like I was saying, we're absolutely miles away from our overall target, so we're going to be holding this for the long term. And you can see that the profit target up there is about 14,000 that we're looking for. So yeah, you can see that the price is up £1,400 on that one position, and that was just one of the stocks that I was talking about in my last video, showing you exactly where it's going. I'm just going to show you Pets at Home as well. So we can go over that. So Pets at Home was actually looking at, I said, as a long-term position buy, and we was talking about around here about the 113 level for looking to price to move upwards, and it's already up, over 6% all the way back at 123 now. So we're in good position moves on both of them. And the one thing that I like to do is I like to buy stocks when we see that the FTSE's has had a sell-off, right? So when we look at the FTSE, we can see here, if I zoom out, we can see here that the FTSE's had its sell-off now, and now looks like we're going to have a rally back in and see some strength and buying power come back into the FTSE, which usually means that it will carry these positions back to the upside. And that's obviously really positive for us, because it means that the two stocks that we're holding as the part of our stocks that we've just literally bought in should get a nice bit of buying power to push the price higher. So I'm going to show you exactly what has happened to Pets at Home as well so far, and we're talking like this has only been in a week's time, so you can see what is kind of you know, potential and capable from trading the stock market. So I'll show you exactly what's happened in Pets at Home. So we bought in on the 7th of September around here at the 115 mark, and it's now trading all the way up at 123. So if we go over to here, you can see our position size. You can see the overall gain loss position on this is £648, which means that we're up over 6.49% on this position. And the daily gain or loss today, we're actually up 1.48% today, which is £155 and 20 pence, which is really good in regards to that. And obviously the stock's moved up 1.48% today. So overall, from those positions that we placed merely just last week, that's £2,000 profit across the two stocks. Very comfortable. We could either lock that in now and move our stop loss to break even on these stocks and just let them run with no risk on the table, and then look to reinvest into other stocks as well and build out our portfolio. So that's it. We're up £2,000 from two positions in just over a week, which is great. I post quite a lot about my stocks and also my positions on Yield Owl. So for those guys that haven't yet, there's an app. You can download it in the App Store, both on Android and on Apple, and you simply just click on Yield Owl app, and it will bring you onto our traders social media platform, where at the moment we have over 2,000 users that are talking about the markets, talking about their trades, and also giving out their trade ideas of what they're getting involved with. So it's a free website, guys. It's a free app to download. I'll put the link below so you guys can join us on Yield Owl. And also on Monday, we've got a webinar where I'm going to be helping you guys on trade entries. So I'll be going live on YouTube, and I'll also be on Big Market. So if you want to join me actually on the webinar, I'll put the link in below for Monday. So that's my brief update on the positions. So over £2,000, up over 6% in the market. Make sure you join Yield Owl if you want to be around like-minded traders. And I'll see you in the webinar on Monday, guys, where I'll be helping you out in my latest video on trade entries. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and comment your opinions. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Take care. Prize giveaway, that's right. We're giving away $5,000 worth of yield coin, baby. Oh yeah, all you gotta do is subscribe in the button down below to my channel. That's right, hitting 26k subs. Oh yeah, it's shut down. And then head over to yieldowl.com, sign up, send me a DM, show me the proof, and guess what? If you lose and you don't win the competition, it sucks, but don't worry, I'm gonna give you 250 yield coin, baby. Welcome to the channel.